Human activities have exerted profound burden and disturbance on the environment. Industrialization is to blame for some of the biggest soil disasters. Heavy metals coming from manufacturing plants that recklessly use the earth as a dumping ground for their refuse, thus leaving behind lasting effects for years to come. Wars also contribute to the problem when biochemical weapons or substances remain with even the slightest trace in the soil. With the desire to save our planet and protect the future, we ought to turn back the clock. We successfully wind back to the beginning, to a world free from contaminants. A clean and promising planet. Environmental Decontamination Limited, EDL, is a New Zealand-based environmental engineering company founded in 1998 and backed by a collaboration with the New Zealand government.
We take pride in establishing MCD technology, a novel green technology with a sustainable non-incineration process for soil remediation. Development and commercialization of this revolutionary patented technology with zero byproducts, no waste streams, redefines the international industry standard. MCD technology is widely accepted by leading corporations, international agencies, and regulators across the globe as being an eco-friendly, cost-efficient, and non-hazardous commercial remediation solution. Our projects in New Zealand, Hong Kong, Japan, Vietnam, and North America, and many other cities all over the world, in collaboration with renowned institutions including the World Bank, UNDP, the US Air Force and Navy, showcase how our innovative solution is revolutionizing the industry. Vietnam is well known for its serious environmental pollutions and health risks to populations. Due to widespread storage and use of herbicides during the armed conflict, former US air bases are highly contaminated and rated as significant dioxin hotspots. These pose a serious health risk to residents living downstream or close to these bases who consume local produces and fish.
Comprehensive operation begins with the contaminated soil being dried and sieved in a facility fitted with the appropriate control devices for off-gases. Then the soil would be analyzed for contaminant concentrations to determine the optimal treatment time of the macrokinetic model. Ultimately, the soil will be mixed with MCD reactor system and broken down by the impact energy of the vibrating steel balls in the reactor. With impact energy generated from constant collision, MCD deals with soil up to 15 tons per hour per reactor, attaining destruction efficiency of up to 99.99%, with residual contamination of less than 5 milligrams per kilogram. As the soil is repeatedly bombarded by the ball bearings, the bonds of the soil will break and radicals and ions formed. Alaska Project is known for its successful completion of one of the worst contaminated sites, Granite Mountain. In 1976, the United States Air Force 611th Civil Engineer Squadron implemented an environmental remediation program after the 20 years of operation of an active radio relay station. Because of the remoteness of the site, the characteristics of Series 5 MCD plants are fully utilized for its high mobility, eco-efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and safety, successfully reducing polychlorinated biphenyls, or PCBs. San Francisco's showcase demonstrated the most advanced PCB MCD final stage testing. In partnership with the US Navy and Shaw Environmental Incorporated, it is a successful case of organic pesticide remediation with heavy metal stabilization, Due to the storage and use of herbicides during war, former U.S. air bases in Vietnam are highly contaminated. The project environmental remediation of dioxin-contaminated hotspots in Vietnam was carried out at a military airport. Employing the MCD technology, it piloted through the treatment of 100 tons of highly contaminated soils. We strive to be a significant contributor in the development of sustainability by utilizing advanced MCD technology for a better global environment and safety. We are here for the future.